How to invite friends in TokenPocket. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're wondering on how to invite your friends to join you in TokenPocket, then it's super easy. First of all, open your TokenPocket application on your phone and from the main homepage, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Me button. Once you're inside the Me section, scroll down and look for Invite Friends and tap on it. You'll now see your personal referral options. You can send invite link to your friends by tapping on the share icon at the top right corner, a small arrow, and then click on copy, or you can also go ahead and directly send the link to your friends from the options at the top, or choose any other messaging platforms such as WhatsApp or Messenger and choose a contact you want to share your invite link with. After you do that, your friends will receive your link or invitation, and make sure that your friend signs up using your link or code. Some rewards only unlock after they complete actions such as creating a wallet or trading. Referral programs may change, so check the latest details inside the app. So that's how you can easily invite your friends and grow your crypto circle in TokenPocket. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.